Hello and welcome to my loft. This is a clan class by Hornby. Oops, the tender was far too light and caused derailment. Let's see what the clan class can do. 14 coaches at speed. Much improved with a little bit of extra lead and plasticine. This is the Duke, made of steel, the tender. Because it's so heavy, it's one of the few locos without extra lead. The Duke has just stopped at the signals. Very congested, you see. And the signal goes to green. I know it's unrealistic, but just look, with 13 coaches, how fast and easily the Duke can pull off. Tornado, lots of lead, also lead in its body. I think this is 11 coaches pulled at speed. A 44-year-old peak body put on a more modern backman, the Fowler A4. 6 pickup wheels and 6 drive wheels with rubber. And since it's 45 years old, real lead. I know this is far too fast, but just look how much power such an old loco has. It was a bit too lightweight, and if you consider my Airfix 4F had been running for 42 years, and it could pull a lot more than this brand new loco by Hornby. So you'll see a bit of gravel put into the funnel, plasticine and some lead weight, and this has now become an excellent runner. Plasticine and extra lead. Half my locos have this. She can now pull 2 coaches and 42 trucks quite easily. The layout's not quite large enough to have it even longer. And look, she's hit the signals and pulls off relatively easily with such a long length of trucks. Of course, she is at a scale speed of 40 miles an hour, so we can't go any faster, can we? British Rail Standard Class 2. They could hardly pull anything. Doesn't look nice, but at least she can pull 15 or so odd trucks. The Javelin. Extra lead, of course. 10 coaches at speed, scale speed of 140 miles an hour. And what do you expect to find inside? Lead and plasticine. The Hornby Pendolino, one of my favourite locos. And just look what they can do. This is at a scale speed of about 250 miles an hour. And this one I speeded up by the controller maybe 320 miles an hour. No problem with extra lead. This is how trains should be running at real speeds. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you another day. Bye.